How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1973 Camaro Rally Sport. It's an original Rally Sport car, original split bumper, super nice car. This car come out of South Carolina. It's got all its original body panels, original floors. Very clean car, guys. Super nice, show quality, torch red with the black stripes. They did add a cowl hood to it. It's a steel cowl hood during the restoration. Super nice car, guys. It's got all the original bumpers on the car. They're in very good condition.